We evaluated suppliers in North America, but we also had our eye on what was happening in the European market. We understood that in Europe they have probably the most stringent emission control standards in place, and the technologies that existed in the European market were superior in that regard to what was available here in North America. Ultimately, the safety that it would translate to our operators led us to select the FT3 model from Facultatif. We've created a space that is far more dignified than what has traditionally been the issue for most crematoriums, and that being that they tended to be industrial in their look. We've been able to now elevate the experience to one that goes beyond offering a commodity, a cremation, to one that is fully a cremation experience. What ultimately took place after the stack tests were the results showed that not only were 99% or more of the emissions eliminated, the ones that the public and the press seemed to glom onto, dioxins and furans, lead, mercury, particulate matter, those were virtually undetectable through the system. The ministry had mentioned to us it's the first time that they've actually had results come back in that were superior to the claims being made going in. The engineering design team in Leeds, England, worked with our development team to custom design some aspects of the equipment that really were tailored to our needs. An example of that would be the in-floor stainless steel loading system. We probably put them through their paces with two different locations that we had to tailor the installation process with. The Mount Pleasant installation was quite unique. It was in the basement of an existing mausolea, and this presented a very unique issue or challenge for the FT team, in that we had a 6-foot wide double door that all this equipment had to come through. That meant that the unit that was being manufactured in Leeds, England had to be shipped over in containers in component parts and actually assembled on site after being passed through the door. I think working with the engineering team from Facultatif through that process has been a very positive one for the organization. We'd have to conclude that we're very, very happy with the experience that we've had with Facultatif and the equipment that's in place. Our first installation was done in April. Our second installation was done in September. Since that time frame, basically 2/3 of the year, we've conducted over 1,000 cremations. It's really laid the footprint for us for the conversion of our 2 remaining crematoriums, which we anticipate will be done in the next 12 to 18 months.